If you are an iPhone fanatic, you might find it difficult to accept that a phone exists that is better than most iPhones on the market. Sorry, but that's the fact. Still skeptical. This video is on why does the Vivo X80 Pro beats 80% of all iPhones. Let's crank it up. Design and build.
This is the Vivo X80 Pro.
The Vivo X80 Pro appears to be just another high-end Android smartphone with nothing much to offer, but you will be dead wrong. It's a hulking slab, thanks to a massive 6.78-inch display with a central punch-hole selfie camera and sloping, curved sides. It's not the thinnest phone on the market, but with the curved sides, it seems shockingly slim. We must admit that it looks a little strange when viewed from the back, and that's largely due to the camera module's unusual design, which has 3 of the 4 rear lenses in a circle, with the 4th position below them, but within a bigger, mirrored rectangle that spans the phone's back. Even though it looks like aesthetic was traded for placement of these cameras, we will examine how the trade-off stands in comparison to many iPhones shortly. Audio and display. The 6.78-inch display has a 1440 by 3200 resolution that elevates it to QHD Plus status, making it more detailed than many iPhones you will find out there. Using the most recent LTPO 3.0 display technology, the X80 Pro can also scale its refresh rate from 1 Hz to 120 Hz to optimize power efficiency. Talking about the power and efficiency of the X80 Pro, all iPhones don't even come close. Do you think I'm exaggerating? Let's see about that. It is not merely a technical specification, but also helps make this screen visually appealing, vibrant, dramatic, and colorful. It even makes the screen very usable in quite direct and strong light. I can't imagine anyone complaining about this screen, as long as the extra-large size is appealing. It should not be startling that there is no headphone jack, which means Bluetooth or USB-C headphones are required, and when listening out loud, the built-in stereo speakers are adequate for a phone but cannot compete with a dedicated speaker. Specifications and performance. Another area where there is no space for criticism is core performance and subscribing to this channel. The global version of the X80 Pro is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, one of the most powerful Snapdragon chipsets currently available in phones. The X80 Pro comes with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of non-expandable storage, but unfortunately, it is the only choice. In terms of networking, you get 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and NFC, which is difficult to criticize. Surprisingly, the China-only Dimensity version of the phone supports the more modern Bluetooth 5.3 standard. But this is unimportant in the big scheme of things.
Yeah, it's not a big deal.
Battery and charging speed. Furthermore, the X80 Pro also has excellent battery life. It boasts a 4,700 mAh battery capacity, which can make the phone easily last a day or two if you are a lighter user. The X80 Pro beats all iPhones, including the iPhone 13 Pro Max, regarding battery life. The battery capacity of the iPhone 13 Pro Max is hovering around 4,353 mAh, which is a disappointment considering the price tag on the Pro Max. Guess what happens when a battery commits a crime? They get charged. What makes the X80 Pro even better is the rapid charging technology. You won't have to plug the phone in overnight. The phone's 80 watts wired charger returns it to about 60% in 15 minutes and 100% in 35 minutes. So you could put it in while you shower and get a full day's battery back. If you want, it also supports 50 watts wireless charging, which requires a Vivo's certified wireless charger.
That's awesome!
Video and camera. The camera is powered by a 50MP main, 48MP ultra-wide, 12MP portrait telephoto, and 8MP periscope lenses. All of them use the same sensors, lenses, and apertures. However, there are a few minor changes. All the lenses now include the new V1 Plus image processing chip. The main lens has been upgraded to the ISO Cell G and V sensor, a modified version of the GN1 that was previously utilized, and gimbal stabilization, has been transferred from the ultra-wide to the portrait lens. On the other hand, being as good as the greatest camera in any phone is no minor feat. The main lens thrives in strong lighting, as in most of Vivo's flagships. Still, the key differentiator for the X80 Pro is how well it handles low light, particularly when utilizing HDR to balance out brilliant lights in otherwise dark environments. Right now, no other manufacturer comes close.
Oh no, not even close.
Even without the gimbal stabilization, the ultra-wide still performs admirably. Again, it's at night that it truly shines. Most iPhones struggle in low light, but the ultra-wide lens looks almost as good as the main camera, even in difficult circumstances. Don't forget the Vivo X80 Pro price is around $911.64. Cool, right? Alright, if you found this Vivo X80 Pro review beneficial, why not check our video on the top 5 powerful features of the Pixel 6a to learn more about one of Google's flagship products. See you soon.